drink a little too much, but I don't wanna feel how I felt before. Running back to you, I'm running back to you, and I don't wanna feel how I felt before. Running back to you, I'm running back to you, a little too much.
Y'all, welcome back. So today we working with Leeven hair. This is my second time working with them. The first time was that little blonde bob wig or whatever. Don't mind my voice, it's mad early in the morning. But yeah, this is a 28-inch wig. I believe is Waterwave, and it has a 5x5 parting space, which is 5x5 back, not across or whatever. But it's a really long parting space. And yeah, the wig is really pretty actually. They don't disappoint me every time I work with them. So yeah, I knew this wouldn't be any different. So let's get into it. So yeah, first off, I'm gonna see what I need to do with the curls. This is pretty much a like take out the box and put on your head type of wig. Just like, you know, get the flyaways down, take any, you know, extra shedding out of the hair by finger combing. So I'm gonna start out by putting my mousse in the hair that I love so much that I gotta buy more of because I'm running out. But other than that, yeah, I'm using this mousse just to like, you know, hit the little stragglies that's around the front area and things like that. And I'm going through and kind of like separating the curls a bit. I don't want it to get too big. There's a lot of hair on this wig, so keep that in mind if you're gonna get this wig. It's a lot of hair, but for $36 you definitely get your money's worth, and it's 28 inches. You could definitely wear this hair like on vacation or to a party or to a date, anything, you know. It's a all around versatile wig. And for me, like, their hair is very like high quality for synthetic. It mimics human hair. Like every time I get their hair, it always mimics the human hair. So that's a plus in my book, especially for synthetic, because I don't really do synthetic wigs that often, but when I do want them to look fire, you know. So I'm just combing through the top area just to make sure all the tracks are covered and everything like that. And you can always do a side part. You can do a middle part. You can do a part to the opposite side if you want. It's up to you and your preference. But yeah, the lace was cool. I didn't have any problems with the lace coloring at all. I always just put a, you know, nude stocking cap underneath my wigs. It has the adjustable straps and the comb, which I did use. This is not like, it wasn't like super snug or anything like that, so I feel like most of the wigs are big head friendly. It also sprays some I sprayed some heat protectant as well, just, you know, to loosen up the curls a bit, or just to make them more uniform basically, because I didn't want to manipulate this too much to where I'm combing out the curls and it's getting all, you know, crazy and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is 28 inches, $36. Leeven hair. Always put all the links in the description box, and I definitely highly recommend this for a synthetic wig, as well as the blonde one that I had. Check that video out. I'll put it down in the description box for you guys. But yeah, they definitely don't disappoint. High quality synthetic hair, that's for sure. So yeah, watch the install, and I'll be back when I get the wig on my head. Bye. guys, this is what I came up with. I'm gonna stand up to show y'all how long it is. It's like basically hitting my waist. Yeah, you know my height already if you watch my videos, but I'll say it again. I'm 5'2". I gave up on the baby hairs, to be honest. I put a little makeup in the part. Obviously you could do more. You can see a little demarcation line, but I do have a cap underneath, so this is a lot of hair. But the thing I love about they hair, like, this is the same company that I had the blonde wig or whatever. Their hair mimics like human hair, basically. It's synthetic, yeah, but it's like more of a higher quality synthetic with like basically with the same prices. So this wig will cost you about $40 or less. I think it's $36.99, and it's 28 inches of curly hair. Like, this would be perfect for like vacation. I know the same rope all the time, I know. But this is my filming rope. I got another one on the way, so yeah, you'll see that soon. But yeah, anyway, like, I had put a few products in here. I did put some water and conditioner, and it didn't, like, you know, disturb the curls. I did get a little bit of shedding as usual, but usually when I get synthetic wigs, I'll go through, finger comb all the shedding out, so I don't got to deal with that. This is the other side of the hair. It's a lot of hair, as you guys can see. 28 inches, and it's a really good price point. Can you straighten this? I don't know. Would you try to? I wouldn't. It's just too much work. But yeah, for the most part, this is how the wig is looking. This is a lot of hair, but this is like a real throw on and go. I think it is big head friendly. I have the straps like super adjusted and super tight at the moment. So yeah, I cut the ear tabs out. I didn't tack it down as usual, but yeah, that's about it. It gives me like such vacation hair, whatever. Yeah, I do like their hair. So this, like I said, the second time, definitely go check them out. This is 28-inch Waterwave from Leeven hair on Amazon as usual. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, tell me this don't look like human hair to you guys. Tell me it does not mimic human hair. Like, to me it does. Like, look at the curls and stuff like that. It has a little bit of texture to it at the same time. This is a lot of hair, like I told you guys. So if you're gonna get this wig, make sure you're able to deal with the amount of hair that's on the wig, but that's a good thing as well. So yeah, 28 inches of 5x5 parting space, so it goes way back. Not really like across, but yeah, the parting is really long, so it looks more realistic. It fits flat on my head. I didn't find any like loose tracks sticking out or anything like that. So yeah, for the most part, fast shipping. They give you a wig cap, but it was brown, the one they gave me, so I have one that I use here all the time, like the lighter ones or whatever. So yeah, I got hair in my eye. So any questions, leave them down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.